There's no better way to start your day than with some coffee. Original decaffeinated or soy latte. A bit of cream is but a dream, but not a lot, hey. Don't want to tarnish the taste of my coffee. La-da-da-da-da, la-da-da-da-da-da. La-da-da-da-da, la-da-da-da-da. You can have it black, you can have it light. Have it hot, you can have it iced. Have it cheap or overpriced. Have it any way you like. Have it black, you can have it light. Have it hot, you can have it iced. Have it cheap or overpriced. Have it any way you